Hi! We'd like to show you how fast and easy it is to install an HDL300 audio conferencing system. So, here's a time lapse of Nigel installing the HDL300. And since the install is kind of boring, we'll also show you what it takes to install a traditional system. Installing the HDL300 can take one person 30 minutes or less. That's about as long as it takes to get a pizza, which I'm ordering right now. But traditional installs are much more complicated. They can take days and involve lots of people who are important, but probably pretty expensive. Let's compare some of the roles we saw on a traditional installer's website. Project manager. Nigel booked some time in his calendar. Design engineer. Engineer? Nigel put 2 screws in the wall. Certified programmer. The HDL300 has software for that. Doesn't everything nowadays? Installation technician. My man Nigel. Look! Time-lapse Nigel's done. Hey! Nice work, Mr. Project manager, design engineer, certified programmer, installation technician. Never mind. Pizza? See you next time.